Hello, my name is Nolan Burns, and this is my Oauth demo video for Google Verification. As you can see, uh, I have MyLog, which is an Alexa skill that I'm publishing, and it uses a Google API to create a Google spreadsheet, as well as being able to read that specific spreadsheet um, to insert logs or retrieve a timestamp. So I'll go ahead and get started. This is my log. We'll have to do account linking. So we'll enable the skill. I'll log in. And I have some skill permissions, and this is on the Amazon side. It just gets the time zone that the Alexa device is located at to get the proper time. We'll go on, and this is my log skill. It logs timestamps for any action you specify into Google Sheets. You must log into your Google Drive account and accept permissions. Let's click here to continue. Here you can see I have my client ID. So I'll give you a second to take a look. So we'll go ahead and choose an account, and it hasn't been verified yet. So we'll continue. And I'm granting permission to view and manage drive files that you have opened or created with this application. We'll allow it. Grant permission to see, edit, create, and delete spreadsheets in Google Drive. We'll allow that too. And we'll confirm our choices here. And it's been successfully linked. So now we can show what the skill does. So what it will do is it will create a Google spreadsheet called MyLog, and it will put in the time as well as the action that the user wants to be logged. So right now I don't have one, so we'll go to the console and we'll tell MyLog to log took medication.
I added took medication to your logs.
So added medication to my logs. So let's check the Google Drive. As you can see, my log was created just now. And you can see we have the timestamp with the date and the action, which is took medication. So that was all the writing it would do. So now the read action is when the end user wants to ask when the last thing, when was the last time something occurred. So since we have took medication, we'll go back and we'll ask when did I take medication?
9:10 a.m.
So you'll see 9:10 a.m. What it did is it iterated through, found 9:10 a.m. and told the end user 9:10 a.m., which is the last time they logged took medication. As far as the scope of what this application does with the Google API, that's it. It only creates a spreadsheet called MyLog. It will put in the headers, and it will put in a timestamp as well as the action that is specified in the next row. Those are the only write action it does. And for the read actions, it will only read the MyLog spreadsheet, look for the last time something occurred based on what the user is asking, and return the time or the date time. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much for your time. as I go through the verification process. Thank you again.